Hello, this is Ron Nutter, and welcome to another edition of Tech Bites with Ron Nutter. After doing the initial review that I put up on both YouTube and my website, www.ronnutter.com, I decided to revisit this because there's a few things that I really came to appreciate once I had done the initial review on it. There is a command mode in the Bluetooth adapter that you can really start to do some of the changes that you may want to do with it, such as changing the pairing pin code, checking on the battery condition without having to look at the battery status that's there. Because of the very distinct sequence that's involved to get it into command mode until you've made some changes, I've gone ahead and got this recording started with it already in command mode. Basically what you have to do, and this is what I did that worked out the best, I put the dip switch number 1, which normally is in the off position for normal. I put it into on, which will put it into command mode, and then turned the 2924 on. As soon as it paired and hit enter, I did the $sign 3 times, and you see where it's showing in command mode. Once it's in command mode, then you can start seeing some of the things that I wanted to show you today, such as ATD. That gives you a very quick indication that the battery level is okay, that it's not charging, and then the flash has cleared the normal startup sequence. Now, if we do ATSTA, which is a little more involved command, it then tells you the serial number of the device, shows you its name that it knows about, shows you the MAC address, shows you all the switch settings that it currently knows about, and then repeats some of what we already had up above with the condition of the battery and the flash. Where this becomes very useful is if you have this stuck to where you can't see it easily, you can get into command mode and then start to see some of this. There are also some additional settings, and what I'm showing you here is just a portion of the command line documentation. This is a file that you can get directly from Schweitzer's website. You'll need to register, but that's very quick process, and this will really show you what the different settings you can change. You can do things such as changing the pairing process, if it's discoverable but pairable, and there's variations of that, so you can really make it a very secure process. This is something that just be very careful as you make the changes. I wouldn't make a whole lot all at once and get used to it, but this is something that will serve you well as you get used to the device. And I think the more you become familiar with it, the more you really like it. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this recording and to look at the additional information that is on my website at www.ronnutter.com. Thank you very much, and see you again.